So today we're gonna continue in the series of training about how to use Gemini and the different features that you can find in your Google Workspace. Today we're gonna focus on the part that you can use about how to create images inside of your of any Google slide that you would like to create for your market team or anything that you might need to. So today, my name is Stanley Siciliano. I'll be your presenter for today and the presenter for the series of training that we are creating, of course. And I'm a deployment engineer, and besides a Gemini trainer, I'm also a Google Workspace trainer. So today we're gonna focus on how to access Gemini inside of your slide, Google Slide, and how to create images inside of Google Slide by using a simple prompt, and how to insert that image inside of a slide in your document. So I will stop the presentation for this one, and we're gonna move to the part of the presentation that we need to do for the creating an image part. Okay, so you can see I have here a document using Google Slides already open. So about how to create an image and the artificial intelligence created for you. Basically, what you need to do is go to Insert, go to Image, and here there is an option that says Generate an Image. And this one, it will open you a part that you can put a prompt on it, that you can put in there the type of image that you would like to create. So we're gonna try to create a simple image. For example, uh, we're gonna use this one, which is basically a preview prompt that I have here. And this one is what you can see here. It says a briefcase with presentation folder and pen ready to close the deal. So basically, you just put that, and then you just click on any of these type of ways that you would like to have that image. You can add a style here. You can have the different styles. In this case, we're gonna add a style as a photography. So we're gonna leave it that way, and we're gonna click on create. And this one, it will create us an image that you can put in here in your Google slide. So right now it's taking a little bit, but it will show us how to create that image basically. So it shows us different type of images with the prompt that I requested. Ready to close a deal, presentation of folder, and a pen and a briefcase. There are different ones in here. So if you like one of those, you should click on it, and then you can move between the different images that the system is showing you already. So you can see here that this one is the one that I will use for now. So I will insert it, and in here put it in your Google slide, and then you just move it. You make it bigger. You make it well wider. It's up to you at the end. And that will be it for the training for today. And before I let you go, I would like to tell you, if you would like to receive notifications about the trainings that we are doing, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please give a like to this video, and that will help us a lot to continue with the great work that we are doing by creating the videos for all you. Okay, so have a great day, and thank you for choosing Sweetbriar.